Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Insightly CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you manually add one contact into your Insightly CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to manually add one contact into your Insightly CRM? Well, that's pretty easy. Even if you're running an online business, sometimes you meet people naturally in the wild, and you want to add them into your CRM so you can stay on top of it. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Insightly CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Insightly CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and manually add one contact, there's actually two different ways you can do it. The first and easiest way is you can click on this plus icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here, Add New Contact. The other way you can do that is click on Contacts here on the left side. Once you click there, you're going to see all the contacts you have, and then in order to manually add one new contact, click up here on the right, New Contact. It's in red. Okay, either way you go about it, it's going to bring up this page right here. And here is where you can go ahead and manually add one contact. So at minimum, you do want to add their name. So let's go ahead and add this in. And then you can go ahead and add an email. And you can go ahead and fill out all of this other information. So you can add their social media profiles, their phone numbers, their mailing address, any other addresses, any kind of dates you want to remember about that particular contact. You can add a description, so notes about them. You can tag them so that way you can split between your contacts easily. And down here, you can go ahead and give specific permissions on who can view this contact. So as you can see, you can add quite a bit of information. I would definitely try to add as much as possible, because we've all been there when you are managing your customers or different leads and you're trying to recall one specific piece of information about them. So definitely add as much as you possibly can. And then when you're ready to go ahead and manually add one contact into your Insightly CRM, click on this blue save button. Okay, quick second later, the contact page opens up. So you can see here is the new contact that we have added into our Insightly CRM. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to manually add one contact into your Insightly CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.